Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones, and today I'm going to tell you and answer the question: how can you easily fix when no sound is playing after connecting your headphones with your phone? So we have 5 tips for you. The first one is restarting the audio player or your music application and try again, but I guess you've tried it so that you are here. So the second one is that check whether the earphones firmware is up to date. Install the application, we have the video YouTube for it, and then check your firmware version. Nextly, you have to just update them to the latest version, but if it didn't work too, you have to go to the settings in your phone, here, to Bluetooth. Here you have to tap this info icon near your headphones, and now you have to check if you have everything correctly. If you are connected, if you have set your device type to headphone, etc. In your Android phone, check if you have your media audio and call audio enabled. The fourth option is that you just have to reset your phone. So it's just a quick soft reset, turning off on your phone or tablet. And the fifth option is that just restore your earbuds to the factory settings and reconnect them to your phone. We have a video for it on our channel. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.